Tradepronamics, how to create an invoice for a motor mechanic workshop. Okay, so I'll get out of there, click on the invoicing screen. These are all the outstanding invoices that haven't been paid. A customer walks in, you can just type in his name, for example, Greg. Okay, if it's not there, you can go easy add. You can fill in the details of the customer. You can also add his vehicle, so rego number. You can add any detail you like, VIN number, make, model, etc. You just go save. So it's created the customer in the customer file, and it's added his rego number as well. So if I go into customers, you will see that customer with his rego number in there, with his vehicle in there. So if I go into customers, for example, there's Greg there. If I click on it, you will see his vehicle there. I haven't added all the details in. But if I go into another customer that's got details in there, for example, that one, there's his customer, and there's more detail that I've added, and his vehicles, he's got one vehicle, and I've added details there. Okay, so to recap on that, the customer walks in, you just type in his name, for example, Tommy. He's not there, you go easy add, fill in the details, his surname, his postcode, his address, etc., and put the vehicle in there, the VIN number, odometer, etc. You go save, and it adds it. You go save, it adds it to the customer database. Now you can start, you fill in the make and model, etc., and automatically go on to the invoice. Okay, so if I select an existing customer, it's got more vehicle details. Okay, he's got one vehicle. Let me try another customer. Tom Hardy, he's got two vehicles. He's got a Holden and a Ford. Let's select the Holden. Okay, so the vehicle details go in there. There's the year, the make, the model. Okay, I can say click on 6, I'll put 6 months from today for the next service date. So you can send out SMSs and remind letters to say come back and service your car when that date arrives. You put the next service kilometres in there. Okay, and now you can start filling in the invoice. You can just freely type, services, etc., and products. Okay, etc., and GST. I've got the default of the VAT, but we have GST in Australia, so I'll select GST. Okay, it is an Australian product. Okay, and you can just keep on typing things in, or you can use services, products and services that we've already got in there. So if I type in A, we've already got a product called A360. If I click on that, I can just put the quantity equals 2. This is the total. And it works out your tax, etc. For GST reports, your BAS and all that. Okay, I can also select the service. If I type in M, I've got a service here called major service. It puts the whole story in. Okay, at $379. So that's the invoice there. I'll put in 2 items, one freely typed, and I've also put a story that's pre-canned. You can have stories for services and items as well, pre-canned items, and you can use them. You can also skip lines, make line, type stuff in. Okay, it's quite straightforward. There's no need to add new lines and all that. You just scroll down, up and down, and freely type or add canned stuff in there. Now when I make payment, print, save or email, that's what I can do here with this green button. That item there will be reduced by 2, so you've got a quantity of 10 in inventory in stock. Go down to 8. Okay. It does all your profit and loss from the item. It knows what it's got a default. Everything defaults, but you can change it. It knows the asset account, the income account, and the cost of goods account. So it'll work out your profit. It'll work out, like say it cost you $10, you sold it for 13. Okay, it's going to know you've made $3, and all this is reflected in your profit and loss. And the GST is reflected in your GST reports. And that's about it. So you just go make payment. If I put an amount in, say it's paid by Visa, just click on there and the full amount goes in there. Or I can part pay it. For example, it's paying $100. And just go save. If you leave it blank, it'll just be the total amount will still be owing. So if I go save, there it is there. It's still unpaid. Okay, so if I go back in there, I can make payment again and pay the rest of it off. And it'll disappear from the left hand side if I go save. Do you want to save any changes made to this invoice? Yes. Okay, so it's disappeared. Okay, it's been paid. So these are all the unpaid ones. So I click on any of these, they come up, and you can pay them off. Okay, so these are unpaid invoices. I can use this lookup button to look up any invoice on all the search criteria here. For example, customer first name. I can look up by the rego number, status, whether unpaid, etc. There's the invoice amount. There's the make, balance due, and the total is down here. Sales amount, total sales, etc. And here's the balance due total down here. So the total of this column. If I click on any of these invoices, before the invoice comes up, you can go in here and change it. I can really type inside the text, spaces, I can skip lines. Okay, there's no need to, if I want to add a line, I can just hit that plus button there, there's the line there. I can hit the delete button to delete that line, ensure I delete this row, yes. Okay, or I can use the insert and delete keys on the keyboard as well. Okay, you've got a referral source there, so you've got reports telling you where these customers are coming from to work out where your business is coming from. Take a deposit from a job. You can round amounts, to the nearest 10 cents or $1, whatever you like. And when you save the invoice, everything's done. Okay, you've got the option to use all the accounting system, all the reports, GST, BAS reports, you've got payroll. You've got your job cards, your marketing, etc. So if you have any questions, go to rad.com.au. You can email us, Skype us, or give us a call. We're on call 24/7. And you can call us and we can upload a video for you to show how you use features